Welcome to this tutorial on splitting arrays with NumPy's vsplit function. In this lesson, you'll learn how to divide arrays vertically, which is an essential technique for data manipulation and batch processing in NumPy. NumPy's vsplit function is a powerful tool that splits an array into multiple subarrays vertically, meaning along the rows. The V in vsplit stands for vertical division. This function is particularly useful when you need to break down large datasets into smaller, more manageable chunks. The basic syntax of vsplit is straightforward. You call np.vsplit, passing in two parameters, the array you want to split and the indices or sections parameter that specifies how to split it. The function returns a list of subarrays that have been split vertically. Let's understand the two parameters in detail. The first parameter, array, is simply the input array you want to split vertically. The second parameter, indices or sections, can be either an integer for splitting into equal parts or a list of row indices that specify exactly where the splits should occur. Here's a simple example of splitting an array into equal parts. We create a 4x2 array containing values from 1 to 8. Then we call vsplit with the number 2, which splits the array into two equal parts. The first part contains the first two rows, and the second part contains the last two rows. You can also specify custom split points using a list of indices. In this example, we create a 5x2 array and use the list containing 1 and 3 as split indices. This creates three subarrays. The first contains only the first row, the second contains rows 2 and 3, and the third contains the remaining rows 4 and 5. There are three important things to remember when using vsplit. First, when using an integer for equal splits, the number of rows must be evenly divisible by that integer. Second, vsplit returns a list of arrays, not a single array. Third, the input array must have at least two dimensions for vsplit to work properly. To summarize, vsplit divides arrays vertically along rows. You can use an integer for equal splits or provide a list for custom split points. This function is perfect for batch processing and data segmentation tasks. With practice, vsplit will become an essential tool in your NumPy toolkit.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.